Good morning, OPOS stars. Let's continue the C4P10 series, street food series. We'll do the Indore Poha Chaat today. This is how it is served in Indore, and this is what I'm going to base my recipe on. The poha, hydrated poha, is mixed with farsan or fried gram flour strings or mixture, some onions, some cilantro, some tadka, and some special masala, the chaat masala. So let's see how to do this. First we will hydrate the poha. Let me start the timer and hydrate the poha. So this is around 250 grams of poha, more than 2 cups. Use a medium thick variety. Mix in some water and let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. You can even mix in a bit of turmeric powder to color it and a bit of salt. Mix it really well and let it sit. Keep this aside. Prepare the tadka. I'm going to prepare a huge amount of tadka. This is enough for maybe 5 to 6 servings of poha like the one I showed here. So 1 cup of oil, whatever oil you like. Heat it up for around 5 minutes or so. And then add mustard, cumin, dry red chilies, a bit of asafoetida. In the meantime, we will make the other stuff ready for the poha. Some grated carrots, some pomegranate. This is not usually used but adds a lot of color. That's all it takes to get almost all the pearls out. Bit of lemon, some chopped cilantro, the Indore Poha masala is available separately. In case you don't have it, you can use regular garam masala. So I'm adding a bit of the Poha masala. Some salt. And whatever you like. Amchur kudunga. Amchur kon chaat masala. So you will see how incredibly easy it is to assemble a huge mound of poha. spice it up according to your preference. My mom will not eat onion today, so I'll keep onions separately. Mix it in only with one portion of the poha. தனியாக வச்சுக்கிறேன்மா, உங்களுக்கு ஆனியன் எல்லாம் பண்ணிடுறேன். உங்களுக்கு டொமேட்டோ போட்டால் வேண்டாமா? Today is Pradosham and she is off onions. Now the poha is hydrated. It's just taken around 5 minutes or so. Ensure that it becomes soft. Soak it too long, it will become mushy. It should be, the grain should be separate but soft. So drain it well, fluff it up, taste it to see it doesn't have a bite. Strain it really well. Take this off, and I think our tadka is also ready. Add 1/4 cup of mustard. You'll see the mustard is starting to fry. If it does not, just heat it up a bit more. If you want it to fry further, all you have to do is just heat it up a bit more. A bit of 1/4 cup of mustard, 1/4 cup of cumin, 1/2 cup of dry red chilies, and to color the poha we need some turmeric and some asafoetida. And add some chaat masala to the garnishes. Some amchur powder, 1/2 teaspoon of all these. You don't need to measure anything. You can grate some ginger if you like. And of course, the peanuts, masala peanuts. And the farsan mixture. Some save or bhujia, thick and thin save. This is also done. We are not going to use all of it. We'll use a part of it. And just the mustard hasn't popped yet. Just wait for a couple of more minutes for the mustard to pop. So add the poha here. Fluff it up well. Mix in all this stuff. You can hear the mustard popping. Switch this off. Add some turmeric to color this. A bit of asafoetida. And just mix in a couple of tablespoons of the tadka with the poha. There you go. Your nice and colorful Poha chaat Indore style is ready. Mix in onion or not, it's completely up to you. Oops, I forgot to squeeze the lemon. Save this. You can use this for your curries or for more poha or for any other chaat you might want to do. Hello, ma. Malbir ka cha? Indore poha chaat. No? That's it. It's taken as less than 10 minutes. Try this out and please post your validations. That is the Indori poha chaat.